And honestly, like if you calculate how much money you could save, it's a lot. So I'll be sharing my tips on how to achieve these nails at home. We got so much time on our hands, why not learn something new that'll save us money in the long run? So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, Anna here. I'm gonna go over the steps I did to achieve the perfect at-home mani in 30 minutes. Hope you enjoy. First, I remove any old nail polish with some acetone nail polish remover. I use this one by Equate, and low-key I bought it just because it's purple. To get the perfect nail shape, grab your favorite nail file and file on either side on a bit of an angle, then straight across horizontally. While filing horizontally, I swivel the nail file forwards and backwards to get the perfect straight across square shape. Then go ahead and lightly buff your nails to get the perfect canvas for your polish. So once you're finished, remove your cuticles. This is the second most important step other than actually painting your nails because it can literally make or break your look. You don't want gross cuticles that stick out or look bad because it ruins the whole mani, trust. I take my cuticle remover from Blue Cross that I bought on Amazon and I rub it into each cuticle on my fingers. Then I use this metal tool, also from Amazon, to push them back. Then, if necessary, you can also clip the extra skin around your nail bed. I also like removing any extra cuticle remover that may have gotten under my nails. Okay, so I think this is my favorite part because I love moisturizing my hands. I think I do it like 10 times a day, especially because we've all been washing our hands extra carefully and so much due to the COVID-19 outbreak. To avoid messing up the nail polish, I take my nail polish remover and remove any cream that could have stuck to my nail beds. And this will ensure a perfect application. Okay, time for base coat. I love this one from Essie that I bought at Walmart. It's called Strong Start and I remember it being pretty reasonably priced. The biggest trick I can share with you guys is using something like a nail buffer to support your hands while you paint. This is the ultimate trick to having the most control and getting the perfect at-home mani. It even makes life easier for painting your non-dominant hand. The nail color I'll be using for this look is called Mademoiselle from Essie. This is the perfect color for an elegant, versatile mani, and it helps elongate the look of your hands and fingers. It totally looks good with any outfit and any jewelry as well. I paint down the middle, on either side, and on the edge of my nail to make the mani last even longer. I usually wait about 2 minutes before applying my second coat and following the exact same steps I've just mentioned. The top coat I love using is Gel Setter by Essie. I love the super shiny gel-like texture it gives, and I'm pretty sure this is the reason why my manis sometimes last up to 2 weeks. Et voila guys, the perfect at-home mani. Super fast and super cheap. And honestly, like if you calculate how much money you could save just by doing your nails at home, it's a lot. Like some people get gel nails like what, every like 3 weeks. That's like 60 bucks every 3 weeks. Like bro, buy yourself $40 worth of equipment from Amazon, like a cuticle pusher, cuticle cream, a couple nail polishes, like base coat, top coat, and a nail filer, and like you can save so much money. Like you can go to a restaurant with that money, or like do whatever you want, put it in your savings account.